What's going on, guys? It's me, Linsay, with LinsayMoore.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to get started with affiliate marketing. Now, before I dive into this video, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. Now, this video is going to be a little bit different. It's going to be kind of like a one-to-one or a heart-to-heart type of session, pretty much, because usually on this channel, I usually do like tutorials or show you like a how-to and things like that as well. Maybe like a step-by-step type of thing on how to get started with, making money online. But I want to do this video because this is where I think people don't see results or, with affiliate marketing pretty much. One, you haven't made a definite decision of creating income with affiliate marketing or just creating income online. You haven't made a solid decision on this. Most people will watch videos and, oh, let me see if this works, or I'll try and see if this works. Or you already come in the mindset that, most of this stuff is a scam. And I see it in like the comments on YouTube as well on some of these videos. Well, most of these things are a scam and things like that as well. But if you think most of these things are a scam as far as like these videos on showing you how to make money, then why are you continuously watching videos on trying to figure out how to make money if you think everything is a scam? If you're already putting that out into the universe, guess what's going to happen? You're going to find nothing or be approached by people who are promoting scams, right? So you need to change your mindset. Trust me, there are thousands of people on YouTube who are talking about making money. And it's probably not even in the make money online niche, right? We're talking about people who are selling their own physical products, creating their own courses and things like that as well. Everybody can't be lying, right? Everybody can't be lying. So you need to change your mindset to the point like, well, you're going to make this work and you're going to find the right people who are teaching the things that you need to know that's going to help you to generate success inside of your business. You need to make a solid decision. You can't be half-stepping. You can't have one foot in and one foot out, right? You can't be with this, oh, I'm going to just try and see if this works. Let me see if this works. Either you're in or you're not, right? So if you're going to go through the door, are you going to go through the door or not? It's not, well, I'm going to see if I'm going to go through this door. I'll try to go through this door. It's not like that. Are you going to go through the door or you're not? So make it a clear decision, a solid decision that you are going to make money with internet marketing, online marketing, e-commerce, whatever it is. And what you want to do is every single day you want to start seeking that knowledge in order to make this work. That's the only thing that's going to happen because, like I said, if you're already half-stepping going into this, trust me, you're not going to put in the work that's necessary for you to generate results. Because you're going to be half-stepping, or like I always say, you're going to be half-assing all the way through the training, even if you get through the training in order to get results. So I purchased quite a few courses over the last few years of me being, building a business online, and like in the good majority of these courses, they always say by like module 3, module 4, or like day 3 or day 4 in a module, like, congratulations, not everybody makes it to this point. So do you understand that, guys? So that means out of the hundreds or maybe thousands of people who purchase these products, people can't even get past the second video or day 2. Day 2, they're already falling off. They're already quitting on themselves, right? The people who do that are people who have not made it a solid decision inside of with themselves to create a income with online marketing, or just to create income or a better life for themselves. They have already given up on themselves 48 hours in. Do you guys understand that? And I mean, that is a lot of courses that I have purchased over the years, and it's always between modules 3 and 4, or maybe even 5. The person who was doing the course is always saying, congratulations, most people do not make it this far. That's sad, right? So don't be like those people. Make a decision right now that this is what you want to do. And then you start to act upon it. You don't have to know everything right off the bat. You're not going to be able to learn everything about affiliate marketing and online marketing on the first day or in your first 2 days or even your first 30 days. It's going to be an ongoing learning process. But the only way you're going to start to get results is if you start. Because that's the second thing that I want to cover. No matter if you're going to do network marketing, e-commerce, anything like that, there's always that learning curve, right? Because if you haven't done any of this before, or maybe you have dabbled in it, or maybe you have tried and quit before, you probably don't know how to build up your assets, right? Like your capture pages, your email sequences and things like that as well. So that's going to take some time for you to learn, and that's going to be a learning curve that's going to come with every business that you're a part of. right? And most people don't take that into account when they are joining new businesses and things like that, because they just think like, well, I see this person having results. I know that if I join on Monday, then by Friday I should have results. They're looking for results really quickly. Or they're, like I said, like with the courses, like they're quitting like 48 hours in because they're not seeing any type of result. You have to understand that it's going to be a learning curve no matter what business you join or anything that you learn or any product that you purchase online. It's always going to be that learning curve because you have to go through the product. You have to set things up. You have to start testing and tweaking things in order to make those things work for you so you can start generating results. That's part of the learning curve. So you have to take that into account with anything that you learn. I don't care if you watch any other video on YouTube about affiliate marketing. Everything comes with a learning curve. So take that into account, right? And then also what you want to do is you want to make sure that you get things up and running, right? So like I know like on this channel or even inside of my Facebook group, and if you guys want to be a part of my Facebook group where I share more information about affiliate marketing and how to make income online, it'll be in the description below this video. There'll be a direct link to my Facebook group. But you have to get things running, right? So that means you have to start getting some traffic to it. So inside of my Facebook group, inside of this, on this YouTube channel, I have given away a free affiliate business in a box. And inside of that particular, done for you affiliate business, it comes to a point where you have to get traffic. And the fastest way to do that is to buy traffic, maybe, or even use solo ads or something like that. And most people stop because they don't want to spend the money. This is where a lot of people mess up too, and this is why people don't have success, is because they don't invest in themselves. Whenever it comes to the point of having to spend money, people want to pause. They don't want to invest in their business, and then they stop, right? But also with that, there's two forms of payment. There's you could pay with money or you could pay with time. So if you don't want to put the money in, then guess what? That requires that you have to spend a lot more time on the internet, on YouTube, or whatever else is going to be your traffic source that you're going to be generating traffic from. You're going to have to spend the time to learn that, again, that learning curve, because you have to learn that traffic source, and then you have to implement that every single day. And that's what I had did in the beginning when I first started. I really didn't have a lot of money to invest into my business, and people weren't doing like Facebook ads and YouTube ads like that, like they're doing now at that particular time. So I used free marketing strategies. I used YouTube. I used, Facebook groups and things like that, and I would post inside of these groups and build up my list that way. And that's how I was generating traffic. I was getting anywhere from 10 to 20 leads per day just using Facebook groups on Facebook. And that's not including like the few leads that I was getting on YouTube at that time, because I wasn't well knowledgeable about YouTube at that time, but I just would just upload content onto YouTube, and leads would trickle down from there, right? So you have to be honest with yourself. Once you get things running, you have to understand you have to invest in your business, whether that's time or that's money. So if you know that you're not the type of person that wants to spend hours on Facebook groups and posting your links everywhere and things like that as well, invest in buying some paid traffic. Invest into your business so you can start seeing those results and you can start building up your email list. Or, like I said, invest the time and learn some free marketing strategies so you can get your affiliate business up and running, pretty much, guys, right? So that's how you're going to get started with affiliate marketing. You need to make a solid decision that you want to do this, that you want to make money online, and you're going to stick with it, okay? The second thing is, understand there's always going to be a learning curve with everything. There's always going to be a learning curve with everything. And then 3, make sure you get your machine up and running. Okay, guys? So that's what you want to do. So hopefully you found this video helpful, guys. Like I said, this is a little bit of a different type of video that I typically do on this channel. But like I said, I really wanted to speak to you to let you know what it'll take for you to get started. Like I said, don't get caught up into the point where you're just falling down a YouTube rabbit hole and you're watching all these videos and you've seen people have results with affiliate marketing and things like that as well, but you never take action yourself. In order for you to get results like the people are showing, like how I'm showing on YouTube and things like that as well, you have to start. You have to get the ball rolling, guys, okay? And also, again, more importantly, change your mindset. If you come into this thinking that everything is a scam, trust me, everything that you will be presented with, or anytime somebody comes to you about a business, is going to be a scam. Because why? You attracted it. You attracted it to yourself, right? So don't do that, right? Go into this knowing that you're going to make this work no matter what, right? If you do that, you will attract that to you, and you'll attract the right people to you that's going to show you how to make affiliate marketing work. Okay, guys? So hopefully you found this video helpful. If you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the subscribe button and also hit that notification bell so that way you get more updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. And to the next video, guys. Peace.